Hello students, so today we are going to start the method 3 cross multiplication of the chapter 6 simultaneous equations. As we have done the two methods, the one was the method of substitution, that means solve the two simultaneous linear equations by using the method of substitution. Second method we have done that solve these equations by using the elimination by equating coefficients. This is the third method to solve the simultaneous linear equations, the method of cross multiplication. In this case, first of all, let us suppose we are having two equations. This is equation number 1, 4x plus 3y is equals to 17. This is equation number 2, 3x minus 4y plus 6 is equals to 0. To start with the cross multiplication, the first step what we have to do, that is, सबसे पहले जो गिवन इक्वेशन है उसको किस फॉर्म में लिखना है, ax प्लस by प्लस c इज इक्वल्स टू 0, ex प्लस fy प्लस g इज इक्वल्स टू 0. जो गिवन लीनियर इक्वेशंस हैं आपके पास, उनको सबसे पहले इस फॉर्म में लिखना है कि राइट हैंड साइड पे आपके पास रह जाए 0. सी, in the equation number 1, on the right hand side we are having 17. So this equation implies 4x plus 3y minus 17 is equals to 0, and consider this one as equation number 1. In the second equation, 3x minus 4y plus 6 is equals to 0. 0 is there on the right hand side. This is perfect. So consider this one as equation number 2. But ये method of cross multiplication में first step है कि अपनी इक्वेशंस को राइट हैंड साइड पे 0 रख देना. राइट हैंड साइड पे 0 आ गया, ठीक. देन कंसीडर दिस वन एज इक्वेशन नंबर 1 एंड इक्वेशन नंबर 2. नेक्स्ट स्टेप, जो कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x है, ठीक, इसको एक फॉर्म में आप लिख सकते हो अगर आपका मन करता है. दिस इज जैसे 4x प्लस 3y माइनस 17 इज इक्वल टू 0, 3x माइनस 4y प्लस 6 इज इक्वल टू 0. ये है फर्स्ट टर्म. दिस इज द सेकेंड टर्म. This is the third term. First, second and third term. Now see, करना क्या है क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन के लिए, we are going to use this method. ठीक है, so many of you have known about this. This is 2312 or 2312. This is the method. First of all, we have to write the coefficients of second term. That means the coefficient of y. Then the constant term, because at the third position constant terms are there having no variable, not x, not y. Then the first one, coefficient of the first one, that means the coefficients of x. Then again from the 2 we have to start, from the 2 we have to end, again the coefficient of y. This is known as 2312, and you just understand that for the 2 you have to write the coefficients of y. For the 3, under 3 you have to write constant terms. Under 1 you have to write coefficients of x, and under 2 again the coefficients of y. How to find the value of x and y by using this 2312? You just write x, denominator, leave it as it is equals to y, then 1 is equals to dashes. No need to write these things because we have to evaluate x over something, y over something, and 1 over something. How can we find out this something? See, you have to start from this one. See, 3 into 6. The value having downward arrow, this should come first. 3 into 6, 18. Then minus sign. Come to the next one, the value having arrow in the upward direction. 4 minus 4 into minus 17, minus into minus plus 4 into 17, 68. So we are having 18 minus 68. This is required for the value of x. Now come to the value of y. For the value of y we need this thing. ठीक. See, again arrow downwards. That means the value, this arrow downwards should come first. Minus 17 into 3, minus 51, minus as it is, then 6 into 4, 24, minus 51, minus 24. The third one, this is for y, this is for the constant 1. 4 into minus 4, minus 16, minus 3 into 3, 9. Now solve these things. We are getting x over 18 minus 68, this is minus 50, is equals to y over minus 51 minus 24, this is minus 75, minus 16 minus 9, this is minus 25. So we are having x over minus 50, y over minus 75, 1 over minus 25. यहाँ तक तो हो गया. Now how can we find the values of x and y? So x and y के लिए आपने क्या करना है? From x के लिए फर्स्ट और थर्ड टर्म और y के लिए सेकेंड और थर्ड टर्म को इक्वेट करना है. x over minus 50, 1 over minus 25. 50 इधर जा सकता है, बन गया x is equals to minus 50 over minus 25. माइनस और माइनस कैंसिल, 25 1 द 25 2 द 50, तो हमारे पास x की वैल्यू आ गई 2. नेक्स्ट स्टेप हमने y फाइंड आउट करना है. ऑल्सो y over minus 75 is equals to 1 over minus 25. This will become y is equals to minus 75 over minus 25. Minus and minus cancel. 25 1 the 25 3 the. So we are having y is equals to 3. This is the method of cross multiplication. It is quite easy as compared to method of equating coefficients or method of substitution. But one thing what you have to keep in your mind, that is the equations should be of the form this. 0 should be there on the right hand side. No constant term should be there. But if you don't want to go with this one, if you want to write the constant on the right hand side, then the method should be same. Only the difference is here instead of 1 we have to write minus 1. See, if I want to change this one, if I want to solve this question by keeping the constants on the right hand side, then the method will remain same. The only difference we can see, that is with this one only. This one will become minus 1. See, so many students are going with that method. They just use minus 1 here, but they mixed up these two methods. If you want to write minus 1 here, then constant should be on right hand side, and if you want to go with this thing, then constant should be on left hand side. Is it clear? So this is the method, accurate method, where we can put the constants on right hand side, on the left hand side, and we can find out the values of x and y. Now let us see with the same question. It is clear to you that x is 2 and y is 3. I am going to solve the same question, but with a little bit difference, and that difference is I am not going to put the constant on left hand side. This plus 6, when it will go to this side, it will be negative. If you want to go with this method, then you can. Consider this one as equation number 1, this one as equation number 2. Now constants are on right hand side. So x over dash, y over dash, minus 1 over dash. Again 2, 3, 1, 2 is the method. But the difference is here 17 is having positive sign, and the third, this one, because this is 2, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, minus 6. So when we start multiplication, 3 into minus 6, minus 18. minus 4 into 17. Minus 4 into 17 minus 68. Then for y, 17 into 3, 51 minus 6 into minus 4 minus 24. Then 4 into minus 4 minus 16 minus 3 into 3. This one minus 9. This is x over minus plus. Minus plus. So it would be minus 18 plus 68. Again minus plus. So it would be 51 plus 24. Minus 18 plus 68. This is 50. 51 plus 24. This is 75. Minus 1 over minus 25. Can I cancel these two minus? So we are having, अब x की वैल्यू कैसे निकालेंगे? x over 50 is equals to 1 by 25. y की वैल्यू y over 75 1 by 25. 25 3 the 75, 25 2 the. So x is equals to 2, y is equals to 3. See, the values are same in both the cases. But what is the difference? Here we are not going to shift our constant from right to left, and instead of 1 we have to write minus. This is a major difference. So this is a major difference between these two methods. Method of cross multiplication, you have to find out the value of x, y and the constant 1 when their constants are on left hand side. And if you put the constants on right hand side, on this side, that x and y is equals to some constant, then you have to write minus 1 here. Come to the next question. I am going to solve the next question, which is 3x plus 4y is equals to 11. 3x plus 4y is equals to 11 and 2x plus 3y is equals to 8. See, if you don't want to change the sign of these constants, then it's up to you. Remain as it is. Then you can write minus 1 over something. But if you want to change the sign, then the given equations will become minus 11 and minus 8 on left hand side. This is first equation, this is the second equation. And from these two equations, first, second and third. On 2, 3, 1, 2 method, 2312 method. Under 2, write the coefficients of y, 4, 3, minus 11, minus 8, 3, 2, 4, 3. स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं x से. अब x के लिए सबसे पहले दो दिस वन 4 इंटू माइनस 8 माइनस 32, फिर माइनस किसके साथ प्रोडक्ट करेंगे? अब हम इनके साथ. इन दोनों प्रोडक्ट के बीच में जो साइन है दैट शुड बी ऑलवेज नेगेटिव. वो अलग बात है कि 3 इंटू माइनस 11 बन जाएगा माइनस 33 और ये माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएंगे. ठीक, दिस इज माइनस 33. राइट, ये हो गया वैल्यू x के लिए, ये हो जाएगा y के लिए और ये हो जाएगा कांस्टेंट 1 के लिए. अब आ जाओ 11 इंटू माइनस 11 इंटू 2 माइनस 22 माइनस साइन, माइनस 8 इंटू 3 माइनस 24. देन कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन 3 इंटू 3 9 माइनस 2 इंटू 4 8. ठीक, now minus minus plus, so it would be minus 32 plus 33. Minus minus plus, so it would be minus 22 plus 24. And we are having x minus 32 plus 33 1, y over minus 22 plus 24 2, 1 over 1. So from these three we can evaluate the value of x and y. How? From first and third, x by 1 is equals to 1 by 1, or we can say x is equals to 1. From second and third, y by 2 is equals to 1 by 1, or we can say y is equals to 2. This is the method of cross multiplication. So we are having three methods to solve the simultaneous linear equations. One is by using the method of substitution. The another one is by using the method of elimination by equating coefficients. And the third one is elimination by using the cross multiplication. This is a cross multiplication. Here we have to see that the constant should be on left hand side or on the right hand side. According to that, we have to take the value of 1. If we make our constants, अगर constants को हम लोग लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे ले आए, अपने x और y के पास ले आए, देन हमें यहाँ पे 1 लेके चलना है. अगर कांस्टेंट्स को इक्वल टू की उस साइड पे रख रहे हैं, जीरो की जगह कांस्टेंट्स लेके जा रहे हैं, एक्स वाई इज इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट चल रहा है, देन यहाँ पे माइनस. दिस इज द ओनली डिफरेंस. ठीक. सो दिस इज द मेथड ऑफ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन. नाउ वी हैव डन three methods. The one was substitution, another one was equating coefficients, and the third one was cross multiplication. So this is all.